Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we will be doing Maths B, May-June 2025, Paper 1, question number 2. The nth term of a sequence is given by 12 minus 7n. Find the first three terms of the sequence. So the nth term is given. We assume Tn is equals to 12 minus 7n. So T1 is equals to 12 minus 7. N will be 1. 12 minus 7, which is 5. Then we need to find term 2, which is 12 minus 2. And then we need to find term 3, which is 12 minus 7 to the power is equals to minus 9. So these are the three terms we can write. In the first blank it's number 5 minus 2, and then in the last one it's minus 9. So these are the three terms.